Hey everyone, it's Paul here. I'm doing a follow-up video on the deep dive exam that I did on the Gorilla Pro just a few weeks back. Been using it, having a good experience with it. I've got a new update for it. I've got a new silencer that's going to get installed in the filter stack. It's going to supposedly reduce the sound output by a few decibels, and so we're going to find out. Pretty heavy duty build on this, packed with lots of acoustic foam and fiberglass insulation inside, so seems to be pretty substantial. We're going to find out. I'll do a before and after reading and just see what kind of difference it makes, so follow along. So my current reading is about 82 to 84 decibels in the shop, and I'm going to just do a quick before and then I'll do an after from the same spot. Alright, so that's maxing out at about 84 decibels. So let me install this silencer and see where we end up. Alright, it's all installed, ready to go. Let's go see what kind of difference it makes. By my measurement, that goes from 84 decibels down to 76 decibels for a whopping 8 decibel reduction in sound output, which is very significant. I think it's safe to say that that has exceeded my expectations. I'm really looking forward to working in the quieter shop environment. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and come back for more woodworking, DIY, and tool-related videos. And please click like if you enjoyed it. Thanks.